Walking downtown and I'm okay. He's got it all figured out. It's what they all say, yeah. Everyone's looking at me thinking that I'm different. Everyone's looking at me thinking.
What up, Facebook? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sherry. Thank you so much for being here today. I really appreciate it. I hope you're doing well. Today I have for you my November Allure beauty box, and I have already filmed one November box today, and this is my second. It is now December, and like I said on the other one, you should be used to me by now. But I wanted to go ahead and unbox this so that I could show you what I got in this. This is my second month for Allure, and I really was impressed with my box last month, and so I wanted to share with you what was in this. I am really excited about December because I've had some friends tell me that December is always the epic box for the Allure beauty box. So I told you guys I would give this 2 or 3 months to see if it was worth keeping, and so far so good. So let's get in here and see what we've got. I've got a little pamphlet here that tells about the beauty box and the stuff inside of it. This time I am not going to read to you the little reviews that the people gave because I think that was super boring, but I will give you the coupon codes and the dates if they're still eligible for the discount and let you know about the product. When I opened this box, I thought of 2 people. I thought of my friend Denny, Gone's Girl Denny. I'll link her up there for you, and because she's a face mask connoisseur, and so every time I see a collection of masks I always think of Denny. The other person that I thought of was my friend Courtney KH here on YouTube, and I thought she's going to be going wah wah because she doesn't like face masks, and that's pretty much what this entire thing is almost. So let's get into the products. The first one is the Lapkos Pearl Brightening Metallic Sheet Mask, and it looks like it may be a Korean brand. The price of this face mask is $14 for 5 of these, so that's not unreasonable at all. It is available through Anthropologie.com, and there is a promo code. It is Anthro Beauty to receive $10 off your next full price beauty or wellness product of $50 or more. It is from November 1st through December 31st. So you can get you one of these. I almost feel like I'm not giving you any information about the product if I don't read to you what the people say. I'm going to read it to you. Nothing like being indecisive. The word brightening gets thrown around a lot, but this sheet mask makes good on its promise. I always wear foundation, but this mask made my skin look radiant all over, and I skipped my usual base routine so the glow could show through. It's loaded with serum, but it never dripped. I was actually running around and cleaning my apartment, and the mask didn't slip or move. After I took it off and rubbed in the excess serum, my skin was bouncy with moisture, and even my cheeks, which can get really dry, felt nice and soft. So that sounds like a raving review. I like it. I love the packaging on this next one. It is a Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Jelly Sheet Mask. I'm holding it upside down. Boom. And look at, you can see through the back. It's see-through, and you can see it in the serum and actually see the mask, so that's kind of cool. It says, it's hard for any one sheet mask to stand out. It seems like a new one launches every minute, so it's impressive that Glow Recipes has a devoted following. It's also easy to see why it's so beloved. It comes in 2 pieces, one for the top half of your face, one for the bottom, to better fit most face shapes. I like that because I do have trouble fitting them. They always feel like there's excess hanging into my hair area or down on my neck area, or I feel like I'm pulling it too tight because there's not enough space. Of course, they can't customize these to everybody, but with 2 pieces you can kind of customize it for yourself. It says it's transparent, so I wear it on flight since it doesn't look too obvious. It's soothing enough to calm my skin's redness, and it hydrates really well. It breaks up the flakiness I get on dry patches. Because it clings to your skin, you can putter around while you wear it. It smells like Sour Patch watermelon gummies. It retails for $8. You can get it at glowrecipe.com. The promo code says Allure15 to receive 15% off all products except the watermelon glow sleeping mask and the watermelon glow pink juice moisturizer. And this is valid November 1st through January 1st. So I think out of all these so far, this one I'm most interested in. Next is a lip mask. I love lip masks because I have the tendency to get crusty, especially in the wintertime. This one is by Coco Star. It's a rose lip mask. It retails for $38 for 20. So that's also a pretty decent price. Available at Anthropologie.com. Says lip masks are made for selfies, just ask Emma Stone. But this particular mask is more than a prop. It smooths, hydrates, and plumps lips with rose water, and it's free of parabens and phthalates, stuff you probably don't want to swallow. It smells lovely like roses. It is nearly impossible to keep on your lips if you are sitting upright, which is as great an excuse as any to lie down. But once it's off, it moisturizes without leaving too much serum behind, making it a great base for lipstick. I'm not in love with the fact that I can't walk around with this on because when I'm doing a mask, I'm very rarely laying down. But I was kind of thinking that since the weather's been so cold, I've been really kind of wanting to have hot baths, so this may be the time to do the lip mask. When I take a hot bath, I do a mask, I put a conditioning treatment on my hair. I'm all about pampering me, so this would be a good time to use this. The promo code here says enter Anthro Beauty to receive $10 off your next full price beauty or wellness purchase of $50 or more. Cannot be combined with other offers, valid November 1st through December 31st. Next is the Glam Glow Super Mud Clearing Treatment. You guys know that in the past I have been a huge Glam Glow fan. And you probably heard this story before, I'll make it quick. I had a reaction to their volcanic something face wash cleanser. And it left big area from here to here completely covered with little pink bumps. It was almost like a heat rash. It took a really long time to go away. So I really am gun shy when it comes to Glam Glow. I did use a bubble mask that came in one of my boxes, I think my FabFitFun box, and I did fine with it. I had no problem with it. So I have used this clearing treatment before, and I really like this. So I'm not scared of this one. I'm glad they have this again. This stuff is super expensive. I mean, it can be up to like $50 for a tiny little tub. But it says if you wear foundation every day, are prone to breakouts, or are generally in the market for a skin detox, good news. This charcoal and kaolin clay mask is like a vacuum cleaner for pores. As it dries, I can see all these little dots, especially on and around my nose, where oil is being sucked out of my skin, and my face feels super clean and fresh after. What can I say? I'm obsessed. And I'm not reading all the names this time. I'm making it quicker. That sounds disgusting. Just saying. Or oil is being sucked out of my skin. That sounds disgusting. But I know what she's talking about, because when this dries, you see every single pore that you have, like since birth. You do. It is retail price for full size of $59, like I said, super expensive. And the promo code at glamglow.com is Allure18 to receive 20% off any purchase of $50 or more, valid November 1st through December 31st. So far, all of the promo codes are still valid, which is cool. Next is Star Skin Exfoliating Double Layer Foot Mask Socks. I thought, man, this is super heavy. Now I know why. Says there's such a thing as a sheet mask for your feet, go figure, and it's basically a pedicure in overdrive. Tear open this package, and inside you'll find a pair of plastic socks lined with a lactic acid peel that's designed to get rid of calluses. Slip them on, they feel squishy, and get ready to watch TV so you're not sliding around your home. Rinse off your feet after an hour and wait for it. Over the next week, calluses peel off like a snake molting, which is as satisfying as it sounds. Just don't use these if you've got cuts or blisters on your feet. The retail price is $15. You can get it at starskin.com. The promo code is Allure20 to receive 20% off your purchase, valid November 1st through December 31st. I've wanted to do one of these for a really long time, and now that it's winter or entering winter time and my feet are almost always covered, I feel comfortable doing this. But I would not do this obviously if you have a date where you have shoes that are going to show your feet or anything that's going to show your feet. You're going to go on vacation and go swimming in an indoor pool. Yeah, we don't want the, you know, the leopard vibe taken off when we're on vacation. But all that considered, $15, and I'm excited to try this. It's about that time where I could use one of these. And finally is Invisibobble Original. And I use these. I have one of these in my hair right now. You've probably seen one of these around my wrist in every video that my hair is down. I've used these for probably 5 years and I love them. So I'm excited. These are kind of clear and gold, which is kind of neat. I usually use the ones that are the same as my hair color. But it says this obviously isn't a mask, but it is easier to mask when you've got a good hair tie, and these don't leave a crease, which, come on, is genius. I use them when I'm washing my face, cooking, or any other time I want to get my hair off my face temporarily, but they're still strong enough to hold my long hair in a ponytail all day without sagging or giving me a headache, which traditional elastics tend to do. The only downside, bring one of these around a toddler and there's a 50% chance they'll abscond with it as a new bracelet. I speak from experience. The retail price is $7.95, I'm guessing, for these three. I usually get them at Kohl's. It says here they're available at Ulta.com and there's not a promo code. But I'm going to open this up and show it to you. It looks like a little slinky. And this is cute. I've never seen one in this color. But yeah, it looks like a little slinky, and of course it expands, and the more you use it, the further it expands. It also looks like a telephone cord, like when we still had landlines and we still had telephone cords, they look like this. I also have a lot of people that I know that have these, that they keep their keys on around their wrists, but after a few times using it, it's not very tight. But I almost always have one of these around my wrist. Because when you have fine and thin hair like I do, or like Coffee Break with Danny says, the 3 hairs that I have, you put anything, a clip, a hair tie of any kind around your hair, and it leaves a dent that doesn't fall back out. And these do still leave a bend in my hair, but not nearly like others do. And I also like them because in general they're really easy to get out of your hair. So out of all these things, I think that I'm most excited to try the foot mask, even though I'm scared about what it's going to do. And I really want to try this watermelon mask. I think these both look super interesting. So that's it for my Allure box. I'm happy. I'm really glad that I got all these masks. I love masks. I need to do them more often, and maybe this will inspire me to do that. My situation is always that I don't have enough time for all the things that I want to do. How beautiful would my skin be if I masked as often as I wanted? That's whatever. It says, the only drama I enjoy is in my lashes. I do like these boxes. I ordinarily throw them away, but now that it's getting close to Christmas time, I think this might be nice to package some trinkets in, some little trinkets, because it's a super sturdy box. As you can see, I have not permanently replaced the word super. Yeah, I have not. I've tried. Extraordinarily is usually the winner. Exceptionally might be nice. Really? Really, really? Really, really, really? I will stop now. Thank you so much for joining me today for my Allure unboxing for November. Sorry it's late. Get used to it. It's probably always going to be. But anyways, thank you for being here. I hope you enjoyed the video and hearing about all these cool products. And hopefully you can take advantage of some of these promo codes before December 31st gets here. That's it for me. Thanks so much for being here. I appreciate you so much. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time, take care and God bless. Bye guys. Thank you so much for joining me today for my Allure.
Walking downtown and I'm okay. He's got it all figured out. It's what they all say, yeah.